Hello and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and recommendations. Today, we have something truly special for all the craft enthusiasts out there. Get ready to unleash your creativity with the best bead art kit available in the market. Introducing the Meland Fuse Beads Kit, a complete set that brings together 11,000 pieces of sheer artistic delight. With 36 vibrant colors to choose from, the possibilities are endless. Let's take a closer look at what this kit has to offer. It comes with 5 pegboards, 2 white tweezers, 1 large ironing paper, a pattern design booklet, 5 colorful plastic hooks and keyrings, as well as 5 chains and ropes. Plus, there are additional accessory pieces to fuel your imagination. Now, let's talk about the fun part, crafting. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crafter, the Meland Fuse Beads Kit is perfect for creating unique 3D artwork, decorations, and adorable accessories. It's not just about making beautiful designs. It's about nurturing spatial awareness, fine motor skills, and hand-eye coordination in children. But wait, there's more. This kit isn't just for individual crafting sessions. It's also a fantastic way to bond with your family. Turn off those screens and engage in a fun, interactive activity that everyone can enjoy. Watch as your kids' creativity flourishes and imagination soar. Safety is always a top priority, especially when it comes to children's toys. That's why the Meland Fuse Beads Kit is made from premium plastic material without any chemical coating. Plus, the beads are designed to melt without producing a strong plastic smell, ensuring a safe and enjoyable crafting experience. In conclusion, the Meland Fuse Beads Kit is not just a craft kit, it's a gateway to endless creativity and fun. Whether you're looking for a Christmas gift, a birthday present, or simply want to indulge in some artistic expression, this kit has got you covered. So why wait? Grab your kit today and let your imagination run wild. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy crafting!